Awesome. If that doesn't energize you, well, well. All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to day two. Before I get started, as you can imagine, it puts a lot of people it takes to put on the show, and like we basically have like a rock concert stage. There's a whole bunch of people in the back and a whole bunch of people behind the curtains here. Can we give them a round of applause for this fantastic setup and their music selection? Okay, just a couple of housekeeping notes here, and we'll get on with the keynotes. Just a reminder, be social. Everything's on the app. Would love to see us trending on Twitter, but everything's through there. Most importantly, the feedback surveys for all of the sessions. So please be sure to do that. Submit your sessions for evaluations. Again, we're having the giveaways. We're giving the $50 gift certificates away. There's a lot of other giveaways on the last session here in the afternoon. Complete your passport, give it all the stamps. By the way, once you fill out your passport booklet, there's a basket at the registration desk. We had a couple people not quite sure because there's no like end of the line sort of thing. So there's a basket at the registration desk for those passports. And again, the lunch is in the Hyatt and Hall B. As I mentioned yesterday, we split lunch, so there'll be a long line that at some point we'll cut off, and then we'll sort of redirect people if we need to. Sometimes it sort of works itself out if people just sort of split out, but if you get redirected, that's why we do it, because we have an obligation to both sides. And don't forget your lunch tickets. Once again, we'd like to thank the speakers. We have a lot of speakers this year, 195 speakers, a bunch of keynotes, tutorial sessions, breakouts. These folks put a lot of work in. Hopefully you're seeing that quality. We've gotten a lot of good feedback so far, but thank you again for the speakers for all the hard work. And a reminder of the additional events. I do believe, Giuseppe just told me, I think the time in the lightning talks is incorrect. It may be 1 o'clock. The app is correct, so check the schedule on the app. I don't know if that's right, but we'll fact check that, and I'll get back to you throughout the morning. And then this evening, we've got the Community Appreciation Game Night again. If you weren't here last year, it's epic. It is a lot of fun. If you were here last year, they've upped their game a little bit, so it'll be even more fun than last year. And then tomorrow we've got the community awards and the closing remarks. Upcoming conferences, save the dates. Again, we've moved the European conference to Amsterdam. It was a really big success last year. We want to leverage that again. Same place at the Movenpick Hotel in Amsterdam, and save the dates on your calendar for this conference next year. Same location, the dates there, and we'll be making more announcements about that as well. And of course, we can't do this without our sponsors, our diamond sponsors, Deep Information Sciences and Facebook. Thank you very much. And really all of our sponsors help us put this on. Again, this is a big production, and we couldn't do it without them. So everybody, a round of applause for our sponsors once more. Okay, so our first keynote is Anurag Gupta. He's the Vice President of Big Data Services, Amazon Web Services. Anurag is the Vice President of Big Data Services, AWS, and is responsible for strategy and execution of Amazon Redshift, Amazon Aurora, Amazon Elastic MapReduce, and AWS Data Pipeline. Prior to joining AWS, Anurag held multiple engineering management and technology leadership roles across low-level systems and applications for a range of companies. He joined Amazon because he believes that cloud computing has transformational potential and is at least as large shift as mini-computer, client-server, and app-server-based computing were for prior generations. He also believes that there is a need for significant rethinking within the data processing community as we move from design point focused on sharing of scarce system resources to one where the central challenge is how to take advantage of their abundance. So please welcome to the Percona Live stage, Anurag Gupta.